Many people say they see the matrix, they see the system, they see the manipulation, the conditioning, the control. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Some people don't escape the matrix, they just switch roles inside it. Some people don't escape the matrix, they just switch roles inside it. Today, I want to talk about why fighting the system isn't freedom, why hating the matrix can actually trap you deeper, and what really awakening actually looks like. When people say the matrix or the system, they usually mean education, work culture, media, religion, politics, economic pressure, social expectations. And they are not wrong. The system does condition people what success looks like, what intelligence means, what a good life should be. Here's where many people get stuck. They see the matrix and immediately move into anger, hate, and rebellion. They start saying school is useless, the system taught me nothing, everything is a lie, I reject it all. But anger is not freedom. Anger is still reaction. You are reacting. And reaction means the system is still controlling your emotions. If the matrix can control how you feel, it still owns you. Let's talk honestly about education. Yes, it's outdated in many ways. It doesn't teach emotional intelligence. It doesn't teach self-knowledge or purpose, but also remember, singakhohlwa guys, it taught you how to read, how to write, how to communicate, how to think logically, how to question. And here's the paradox. People use language, logic, technology, and critical thinking skills learned through the system to say the system gave them nothing. That's not full awareness, that's selective awareness. Wisdom is saying, some of this helped me, some of didn't, now I choose consciously. When someone is fighting the system, their nervous system stay in survival mode. They live in constant resistance. They lose peace, creativity, and joy. They define themselves by what they hate. They define themselves by what they hate. And here's the deep truth. The matrix feeds on emotional energy, rage, fear, obsession, outrage. So the loudest rebel often ends up being the most controlled ones. You don't beat a system by screaming at it. You beat it by becoming untouchable by it. Real awakening sounds very different. It sounds like, I see the system, I understand how it works, I don't need to fight it, I choose how I use it. This person learn independently, build skills, create value, rises their consciousness, take responsibility for their life. They don't try to wake everybody up. They embody clarity. That's the real power. You don't escape the matrix by dropping out mentally, rejecting everything, attacking institution, feeling superior. You escape it by mastering your emotions, mastering your mind, choosing what you consume, choosing how you think, choosing how you respond. The matrix loses power when you stop reacting and start creating. Seeing the matrix is only the beginning. The real test is what you do next. Awareness without peace becomes ego. Oneness with wisdom becomes freedom. Don't fight the system, understand it, use it, outgrow it.